for you guys. OK, so in this example, guys, we see we have a radical where we have the square root, right? And based on what we have talked about and learned today, we know that you cannot take the square root of any number that's less than 0, right? It has to be positive. OK, so all I'm going to ask you guys to do when you guys see a radical, for right now, for today, is just set the radicand greater than or equal to 0. It doesn't matter if there's a number outside, or at least for right now. It doesn't matter if there's like a number outside of the radical, not the fourth root. But like if you multiply this by something else, like for instance, if I multiply this by x squared, is x squared a continuous function? Yes, so it's not affecting my domain, right? It doesn't matter if I'm multiplying this by any number outside. Only thing we're concerned about is what is under the radical, at least for right now. That's all we're concerned about. We know that whatever is under our radical, 1/4 x minus 2 has to be greater than or equal to 0. Done. That's the only thing I need you guys to focus on right now. So now, when we look at this, we say, all right, well then what values make this true? So it's just going back to our Algebra 1 days and solving. OK, if we're multiplying by 1/4, then we can multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. X has to be greater than or equal to 8. Now, could you graph this on a number line? Right, like what we did over here? And then could you find the domain? Yes. Or could we just write the domain from here? Yes. Does 8 and then all numbers that are greater than 8 is going to go to infinity. Remember, since it's equal to, 8 is included. OK? Anybody have any questions? No questions. Does that make sense?